YouTube, what's going on, guys? Nervous here, back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys my iPhone 14 Pro Max and what you can do on it. A lot of us smaller YouTubers don't really have the money to pay for thumbnails or pay a thumbnail editor, or don't even have Photoshop. This iPhone has a Photoshop-like feature that allows you to cut out and edit and make easy thumbnails, and actually really quick too. So I'm going to get right into the video. If you guys are new here, if you would leave a like, comment, and subscribe, it's greatly appreciated. Alright, so this is an app called Canva that I use to make my thumbnails on my phone. You go into your photos, whatever you want to cut out, you hold it, hit copy, and then you go into Canva and hit paste, and it'll show it. The gun itself got cut out of that picture, and then I'm gonna go back into Canva and use a facial expression picture to help with the thumbnail. Hold copy on my face, it'll cut out that. This is a photo-like feature that the iPhone 14 Pros have that the other iPhones don't. They may update it in iOS 16, but as of right now, it's just a iPhone 14 Pro Max feature. Then in Canva, you can use text to put at the top of the thumbnail. They have hundreds of different fonts and colors. You can do custom colors as well. And then, yeah, you can rearrange everything how you like it and save it straight to your phone, put it straight to YouTube as a thumbnail. If this was a helpful video for you guys, if you would, leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's greatly appreciated, and thank you guys for watching.